How to fix Facebook search option not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and check your internet connection. So launch the settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi. And make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go ahead and open Facebook on your device and then force quit the app by simply swiping up and exiting the app, as force quitting the app helps in fixing majority of temporary loading issues. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then launch the settings application again and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to the Facebook application and then tap on the offload app option you see there, and then tap on the offload app option again and then tap on reinstall app option. Once done, this will help you in clearing the cache of the application. See if that helps in fixing the issue, and if not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. Make sure the Facebook application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the application. Also, you can try to open Facebook again and then tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the log out option you see there. And in the confirmation that appears, tap on log out again, as a fresh login resets the search function for your account. Also, make sure that Facebook is not enabled data saver mode. So in Facebook again, tap on menu again and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to preferences and then tap on the media option. Here, make sure the data saver option is not enabled, and if yes, then disable data saver option, as data saver can stop search suggestions. And these were a few fixes on how you can fix Facebook search option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.